and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is Killer Tools' bumper hitch attachment, designed to transform the ART47 heavy-duty tire lift into a dedicated rear bumper removal system. Next is the BAT135 battery tester from Bosch, which is designed to test 6-volt and 12-volt batteries from 40 to 2000 CCA, including AGM, gel cell, flooded lead acid, start-stop, EFB, and commercial SLI batteries using a micro-load test for accurate results. Our third tool is the RLink X3 from TOPDON, which is designed to work on 8 OE software systems and achieves OEM-level diagnostics when paired with OE software, including ECU programming and coding, active test, and special functions. Next is the Milwaukee Tool M18 brushless handheld vacuum, which is designed to deliver sustained airflow for quick cleaning tasks and effective cleanup in a variety of job site conditions. Finally, our last tool is the CTA VW 1.4 liter EA211 injector removal and seal install tool, which is designed specifically for EA211 1.4 liter and 1.5 liter TSI injectors, providing safe removal and accurate seal installation in one compact tool. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.